Welcome to English Binglish Part 2. Don't forget to subscribe. Let's practice listening in English. Life changing motivational story. The value of time. Time is free, but it's priceless. You can't own it, but you can use it. You can't keep it, but you can spend it. And once it's gone, you can never get it back. Think about this for a second. You can lose money and earn it again. You can lose possessions and buy them again. You can even lose friends and find new ones. But the one thing you will never ever get back is time. This is not just another motivational video. This story can change the way you look at your life. If you have been feeling hopeless, lazy, or stuck, listen carefully. Because the moment you truly understand the value of time, your entire life will change. The main story, Arjun and the Time Bank. There was once a young man named Arjun. He was smart, talented, and had big dreams. But like many of us, he kept saying, I will start tomorrow. I have time. He wasted hours on meaningless things, gossip, games, scrolling through his phone. He thought his dreams could wait. Days turned into weeks, weeks into months, and yet nothing changed. One evening, after another wasted day, Arjun sat under a tree feeling restless. That's when an old wise man from the village approached him. Young man, you look troubled. What are you searching for? Arjun sighed, I want success, I want happiness, I want to make my happy proud. But somehow I never have enough time. The old man smiled. Come with me, I will show you a secret. Inside his small heart, the old man gave Arjuna pouch full of golden coins. These are yours, he said. Every morning you will receive a pouch with 86,400 coins. You can spend them however you want on work, on family, on dreams, or on useless things. But remember, at the end of the day, whatever you don't spend is gone forever. Tomorrow you will get new coins, but yesterday's will never return. Arjun felt rich. He spent the past pouch recklessly on comfort, on distractions, on things that brought no growth. The next day, the pouch was full again, so he wasted it again. But after weeks, something strange happened. The coins began to feel lighter in his hands. He looked around and realized his dreams were still only dreams. Nothing had changed. Panicked, he ran back to the old man. Please give me back the coins from yesterday. I will use them wisely now. The old man shook his head. No, my son, yesterday's coins are gone forever. You cannot buy back even 1 second. In that moment, Arjun's heart sank. He realized the coins were not gold. They were his time, his life. Every single day, he was being given 86,400 seconds and he was wasting them. From that day, Arjun changed. He began to spend his coins wisely on learning, on building his dreams, on loving his family, and on serving others. With each day, his life transformed, and when people asked him his secret, he simply smiled and said, every day I spend my coins as if they were my last. Every morning, life gives you 86,400 coins, your seconds of the day. You cannot save them, you cannot buy them back. Some spend them on building dreams, some on love, some on helping others, and many waste them thinking they have plenty left. But one day the pouch will be empty and there will be no tomorrow. When that day comes, your titles, your money, your possessions, none of them will matter. The only thing that will remain is how you used your time. So don't wait, don't waste, don't postpone the life you want to live. Value your time because your time is your life. And when your last coin is spent, make sure you can look back and say, I truly lived. Thank you, my dear subscriber, for being here with me. Your support means everything to me. I hope this story touched your heart. Until next time, keep learning, keep practicing, keep growing, and never stop believing in the power of consistent daily action. Share this video with someone who needs to hear this message. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.